Hello everyone, I got me a box, and I wanted to show you the box because a lot of people have been doing box opening videos on YouTube, so I thought I'd do a box opening vlog. I'm going to set my camera right here because I got to Lysol the box because of the cough quarantine, so I got to Lysol it. Let's see if I can get the camera over there so you can see me putting the effort to clean a stupid box. I don't want to clean a box, you know? Shouldn't have to clean a box, you know. I wonder what side I should cut. This side looks fairly easy to cut. I'm gonna cut this side. Oh my god, this is well packaged. God. I think I'm Hercules? Okay, I'm gonna cut it. See. You're not gonna be able to see me cut it. I need to be able to see me cut it, okay? Safety first. There we go. All you're seeing is the box right now. Because I got it. I think I gotta turn it. There we go. There we go. Gotta cut down the middle. You gotta find the seam. It's kind of hard. Got tape on my knife. I got tape on my knife. I like the boxes from places where the seam line is more obvious. It's hard. I actually can't see where the seam line is. That's annoying. There's a lot of boxes used during the quarantine. So quality boxes are hard to find. There we go. Okay, I don't think I need the knife anymore. Let's put down the knife. I think I can open this with one hand. So I got this box. Let's get the receipt in it. Blah, blah, blah. And then, open it up. Oh no, it's upside down. Let's turn it around. Let's reopen it. Put my knife over here because it's dangerous. Let's open again. There it is. Come on, you. Ooh, cool. Cool, I got the box. Oh my god, packing peanuts. Oh, they look like little swing noodles. Oh my god, this guy packaged is good. I forgot his name. Okay, whoa. That's heavy. Holy crap. 386 pieces. No S. No S right now. No S. You know what no S means. No. I'll put the box behind me. Now let's look at this box. I'm going to build this on my own. No video. I'm not a Lego reviewer, so I like to build them on my own. So it's a 3-in-1. I'm building that one. I don't care about that one because I built a mock. So you got that one. I'm totally building that one. You could have this garden one, kind of weird. And then you could have this lakeside one. That one's kind of cool. I might build that one. What's that? Oh, that's a sample picture. It's cool. So it's got 2 minifigs, 386 pieces, a car, a trampoline. I'm not into trampolines. I got it for the house. 8 to 12. I hate this. It should be 8 and up. There are actually modern Lego boxes that say like 6 and up. 14 and up, yeah. Yeah, the instructions are probably in there. No, 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 forget it. I got time. I got time. I'm gonna open it. Okay, hold on. Let me put the box over there. iPad holder. Should be sweet. Get the knife. Don't do this at home unless you have adult supervision. Since I am an adult, man, I can supervise myself. Ooh, yeah, I just damaged the box. Good thing I don't want to sell it. No. Glad I don't want to sell it. Just damaged it. The knife away from my hand. And pop off. Okay, that's the cutting. So I think we gotta flip it over. Or no, we don't. We gotta pull stuff out. Ooh, the base plates come separately. Okay. Ooh, separate bags. I love separate bags. It's easy to deal with. I'm gonna go with the fact that this bag's the main structure. Oh, wow. Holy crap. Oh my God. I think this instruction book is like a pound. Sheesh. I'm very intimidated right now. Right in the comments. Have you been intimidated by your Lego sets? Just by the freaking instruction manual? Look at it. It's huge. Oh God. Okay, that's the Lego Creator Modern Modular Home. My package. Basically my box opener. I'm out.